So this is the new iPad Pro M4 along with the new Magic Keyboard and the Apple Pencil Pro. So let's unbox the accessories first. So this is the Apple Pencil Pro and it comes in 5 variations. There's different box design. There's the orange, pink and purple one. Then there's a light blue and there's a black color one. And this one of course. So let's unbox it. So you have this and then you just take it out. And then this is the Apple Pencil Pro. So you just have to just slide this in. And this is the Apple Pencil Pro. It has engraving also on it. So it has this haptic feedback along with it and the double tap gesture too. Now we also have the new Magic Keyboard in the all new aluminum. And it also has a 14K function row. So let's unbox this too. Yeah. So this one is just pull this. And this is a bit heavy, like because it's made out of metal. So just to open this up like this. Yes. Here is the new Magic Keyboard. So let's open it up. And again, you have this in between. So this is the all new aluminum. It has a glass trackpad also and this 14-key function row too. So this is only compatible with the new iPad Pro M4 and yeah, it's no other iPad is compatible with it. So yeah, and that's it. And this is the new iPad Pro itself. So this is the iPad Pro, and when we flip it around, this is the finer 12 GB storage version. It's a 13-inch M4, and this is Wi-Fi plus cellular. So let's open this up. Now again, even this one is it has an engraving on it. It's personalized. So I'll just open this, and now it has a landscape facing camera. So let's box this. Yeah, and yes, this is the space black version, the color. So we just keep this and you slowly pull this. Now this is the iPad Pro. Let's take this off. So this is the new iPad Pro. This is the standard glass version. So now apart from this iPad, I'll just keep the iPad here. Let's just check what's in the box. So and this time you don't get the Apple stickers. There's no Apple stickers. So you finally get a black USB-C braided cable and to color match the iPad. And along with that, you have this adapter. Now, in some countries, the adapter is not available, but it in here it was. So they gave this also again. And now let's. So this is the thinnest Apple device ever, as you can see here. There's a single 12 MP camera, 12 megapixel camera over here, and along with a new True Tone flashlight and LiDAR sensor. So this is the Wi-Fi cellular version, as you can see here, and that's the engraving. So now let's power this on. Yeah. And yeah, as I told, this has a landscape facing camera along with the Face ID sensor also. And one thing I forgot to mention, that is, this has a new Ultra Retina XDR display. It basically uses tandem OLED display. And it has two OLED panels. So we just open this. Then we can set up our iPad.